Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Kids, now we're writing capital letter alphabets and numbers. Yeah, dark pink color, light pink color, black color, and the next one is red color. Now we're opening the color of exactly purple, light green color, sky blue color, and the next one is silver color, orange color, blue color, dark green color. The next one is white color, yellow color, and the last one is brown color. Now we're using the color of orange and writing alphabets A, B for ball, C, D for doll, E for egg, F for fish, G for goat, H, and the next one is I for ice, I for ice cream. Black color, kids, now we're using the color of black and writing J, K. The next one is L for lemon, M for mango, N for nose, N for nest. The next one is O, stay with us, P, Q, R. Dark pink color, S for snake, T for teacher, U for umbrella, V, W for watch, X for Xmas tree, Y, Z. Light green color, number of 1. The next one is 2, 3, THREE, 3. The next one is 4, FOUR, 4, 5. Kids, now we're using light pink color, 6, 7, 8, 9, NINE, 9, 10, TEN, 10. Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Stay with us. Kids, now we're using the color of red. The next one is brown, white color. Stay with us. Purple color, blue color, dark green color. The next one is dark pink color, orange color. The next one is light green color, silver color. Stay with us. The next one is light pink color, sky blue color, black color, exactly. And the last one is yellow color. Now we're writing capital letter alphabets. First we're using the color of light pink, A, B, C, D, E. The next one is F for fish. Now we're using the color of yellow, writing the alphabet of G for God, H for hand, I for ice, I for ice cream, J, K, and the next one is L for lemon. Now we're using the color of light green color, exactly. M for mango, N. The next one is O, P, Q, R for rose, R for rice. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Stay with us. Now we're opening colors: brown color, orange color, light pink color, silver color, sky blue color. Kids, stay with us. Dark green color, dark pink color, and the next one is red color, black color. The next one is yellow color. The next one is light green color, purple color, blue color, and the last one is white color, silver color. Now we draw the alphabet of A. The next one is B, C for cow, C for cat, D for dog, D for doll, E for elephant. And now we're using the color of dark green, F for fish, F for fan. The next one is G, H for hand, I for eyes, J for joker, K for kite. Kids, the next one is L. Stay with us. L for lemon. Now we're using the color of light green color, M for moon, M for mango, N for nose, O for octopus, P for penguin. Kids, now we're writing numbers: 1, 2, 3. The next one is 4, FIVE, 5. Now we're using the color of red and writing 6, 7. Now we're writing the number of 8, and the next one is 9, and the last one is 10. Stay with us. T, E, and N. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Kids, now we're writing capital alphabets A to Z. Stay with us. Red color, light pink color, yellow color. Stay with us. Dark green color, orange color, exactly. Light green color, dark green color, brown color, brown color. Kids, the next one is black color, and the next one is sky blue color, and the next one is blue color. Stay with us. Exactly, silver color, white color, and the last one is purple color, red color. And now we are writing alphabet of A, and the next one is B. B for ball, C for cow, D for doll, E for elephant, F for fish, G for God. So kids, now we're using the color of orange, writing the alphabet of H. Stay with us. I for eyes, J for jackfruit, K, L for lemon, M for moon, N for nose and for nest, sky blue color, exactly. O for octopus, P for penguin, Q, the next one is R, S, T for teacher, U for umbrella. Kids, the next one is V for van, and W for watch, X, Y, and the last one is Z for zoo. Thank you so much for watching.